जाते हो परदेस पिया, जाते ही खत लिखना. Melodious days, simple days, early 90s. No complication whatsoever. Once you reach, write a letter. Simple statement. If she wanted the person to send a telegram, she would have been very clear about it. जाते ही खत लिखना. She is very clear. Write a letter. And when someone says, when you go write a letter, it's fairly simple. Least possible expectation. When you go, once you reach, write a letter when you can get hold of a letter. And post it when you are able to post it. And we know how the letter system works. I may get it or I may not get it. So basically I'm saying bye, see you when you come back. Simple. No complications at all. But these days, extremely complex. Please mail me once you reach. Oh no, call me once you reach. Why call? Do a video call once you reach. Why once you reach? Do a video call in the transit. You can even have a video call during the travel. Even in flights you have Wi-Fi connections. Technology these days. No, none of the reasons will work. My friend, there is no reasons at all. You say your laptop crashed, you could have used your mobile. Mobile crashed, you could have bought a new mobile. It's hardly anything these days. Hardly costs anything. Mobile got discharged, you could have borrowed a charger. Network, you could have just gone around to find network anywhere. No reason really works. You should call up and you will be tracked always. There's no place to hide. And on a totally different topic altogether, these days we get wonderful knowledgeable articles around on the internet. The other day I just read this article. Such insightful articles, I must say, these days on internet. Beautiful articles. And I am the one, I am somebody who reads everything. I go on the road, I read pamphlets that people throw around. I read the post-its on the tree. I read the small written things on the ticket. I love reading. So I enjoy a lot these days, I must say. And this particular article did catch my attention. This beautiful article recently I read. Very insightful. Drinking hot water can harm you. And me being a yoga proponent, a strong Ayurveda proponent, I was shocked. Oh my God, I'm doing everything wrong all this while. Oh my God, I have to read this article. What an eye-opener. And it was an eye-opener indeed. The water can spoil your enamel. The hot water can burn your internal organs. If spilled, it can hurt yourself. It can hurt your body. Such insightful points. With my eyes open, now I could add a few points of my own. The cup could be hot and hurt our hand. The cup can break and the pieces may hurt us. What if the hot water falls on the table? The table can get burnt. And now I'm getting insights into a lot of other dangerous things that I'm doing. Going for a walk, that is the most dangerous thing one can do. I thought it's all for fitness, I'm good. What if a dog comes and bites when you're going for a walk? You can slip and fall. Somebody might have thrown some banana peel. You can just slip and fall, which can lead to serious injuries to your head, concussions. What if you're walking below somebody's house and from the balcony somebody throws some pot, flower pot, heavy one? Walking is very dangerous, my friend. I think I can come up with lots of such topics now. Interesting days ahead for my blogging. I have to start, I'll just note this down. I have to start blogging more now. I'm sure the writer of this article had a wonderful brain awakening drink before writing or coming up with this very smart article. Some very warm hot drink like tea or coffee. Not so scientific brains like us may say that tea and coffee also are having hot water in it. My friends, we need to read more scientific journals. We need to be more updated. Coffee and tea have the powder that probably insulates the heat. It's not that dangerous, drinking coffee and tea. But warm water, my friend, is very, very dangerous. And I'm not sure whether he meant warm water or hot water, because he just said garam pani, which roughly translates to hot, warm. I'm not sure. So I think I'll just go by not drinking any hot, warm, any water at all. Anyway, these topics apart, it's been 2 years, second anniversary of my the first publication, right? Aethesh and the Cosmic Balance. It went quite well. It sold around 1,000 copies online overall, and around 500 copies, hard copies. This is where it stands. So anybody want to read this, you can contact me. My contact details are there. Contact me. You'll get it for a reasonable price. I can promise you that, apart from the minor courier charges. Thank you for your time. Until next time, please take good care of yourselves.